In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cryptocurrencies to your watchlist in CoinMarketCap. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, keeping an eye on your favorite currencies is essential. So let's jump right in and guide you through the process of creating a personalized watchlist that's easy to navigate and manage. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the CoinMarketCap website. This platform is a treasure trove for anyone delving into cryptocurrency, offering detailed insights into a multitude of coins and trading platforms. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the homepage, which might seem a bit overwhelming at first due to its wealth of information and features. But don't worry, we'll stick to just what you need for today. Now, direct your attention to the top of the page. Here, you should spot the watchlist option. It's usually nestled among other tabs like cryptos and exchanges. Click on Watchlist. This is where you'll start building your personalized list of currencies to keep tabs on. Think of this space as your custom dashboard, designed to streamline the monitoring of coins that interest you most. On your newly accessed watchlist page, you'll see an option to click on New Asset. By selecting this, you're one step closer to tailoring your watchlist to suit your specific crypto interests. Remember, a watchlist is all about giving you quick and easy access to data that you find most relevant. So take a moment to consider which assets you want to keep a close eye on. Once you've clicked on New Asset, a search bar will typically appear. Here, you can type in the name or symbol of the cryptocurrency you'd like to track. As you type, CoinMarketCap will start auto-suggesting options, making it easier and faster to find the particular asset you're thinking of. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a lesser-known altcoin, CoinMarketCap's comprehensive database will likely have it ready for you. After you've identified and selected the cryptocurrency, the last step is to save your selections. Look for the Save button, usually located towards the bottom or side of the page. By clicking Save, you've now officially added these cryptocurrencies to your watchlist. You can return here anytime to review performance metrics, market changes, or simply get a quick update on price fluctuations. And that's it. You've successfully set up your watchlist on CoinMarketCap. This tool will undoubtedly become one of your go-to resources as you navigate the intricate and ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Remember, by keeping an organized watchlist, you're better equipped to make informed decisions quickly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy investing.